And we have been facing the heat. Not only heat, we have been facing shortage of water, power, and as Met experts say that monsoons will be 93% on average this year. So we might face food shortage also. And people say that it's climate induced due to climate change. Experts are there. Dr. Shrikant Gupta is there. Rajinder Vaisab is there, who has been working on water and with the environment for more than 30-35 years now, and has revived many rivers, many ponds, thousands of ponds. So let's start the session. I request Shri Rajendra Singh ji, who is Magsaysay Award winner and President of Tarun Bharat Sangh, Chairman of Jal Biradari and Jal Jado Abhiyan, to kindly come on the stage. Rajendra Bhai Sahab, कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें. Rajendra Bhai Sahab will chair the session. I'll also invite Dr. Shrikant Gupta, famous economist, climate economist you can say. He has done a lot of work on water, food and climate change. He has been in Delhi School of Economics for a long time. He has also been director of National Institute of Urban Affairs and has done very good work there. And his communication of climate change and climate change economics is very simple. A layperson like me also understands to a large extent what he says. So let's start the session. I think without talking much about our organization and what we do, we'll do that later on subsequently during the question and answer session. We are already late. So let's start with Dr. Shrikant Gupta. He'll give you a very good presentation on climate change, the scenario in India, and what we can expect in terms of water and food, agriculture. So Dr. Shrikant Gupta, we welcome you and invite you to take on from here.
मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो मॉडर्न प्रॉब्लम है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और क्लाइमेट चेंज, इसके कुछ इंडिजिनस सॉल्यूशन भी हो सकते हैं क्या, या इसके कुछ लोकल सॉल्यूशन भी हो सकते हैं क्या? यदि आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में वो हम जान सकेंगे.
To this event, I was thinking this would be more of a panel discussion, but it looks like I am going to be saying, but I'd like to say not much, I'd like to say less, because I'm fairly intimidated by being in the presence of a Magsaysay Award winner, and I'm sure all of you have come to hear him and not me. So I did have a prepared set of slides. I'll try to go through them as quickly as possible, and then maybe Rajendra Singh ji is being cast in the role of, आपको एक चेयर के रोल में कास्ट किया गया है, बट मेरी समझ से आप एक स्पीकर हैं और इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, कोशिश करूँगा कि अपने टॉक को छोटा रखूँ. I changed the order of the topic. The topic was food, water and climate change. So I changed the order to say climate change, food and water I put in brackets because I thought that Rajendra Singh ji is here. So, you know, हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सूरज को दिया दिखाना, तो पानी के बारे में आप बात करेंगे, फूड के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात मैं करूंगा, और ज़्यादातर मैं क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में बात करूंगा, which is also called जलवायु परिवर्तन. So my day job is as an economist at the Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. I think partly the reason I'm here is that I spend a lot of my time doing work on the economics of climate change. And most recently I was part of this intergovernmental panel on climate change, IPCC, whose report I was a part of but not terribly happy with. So that's the preamble. My outline of my talk is as follows. I'll go through a short primer on climate change. I'm aware that many of you are working in this area, so very knowledgeable about climate change. So please excuse me for stating the obvious facts, but since we are at the Habitat Center and it's an open event, I'm assuming that people here come from very different backgrounds and with very different levels of information and knowledge about climate change. So I thought that a few slides on the sort of the background of the climate change. I do want to spend a fair amount of time talking about the politics of climate change and then the science of climate change, meaning what do we know about it, and then talk about climate change in India and then briefly talk about impacts. Climate change we colloquially call global warming. We know that largely the problem of climate change is human induced, anthropogenic, and the main gas that causes climate change is CO2. What we don't probably know as well is that climate change is about the cumulative emissions of carbon dioxide. It's not about the current emissions of carbon dioxide. Often you will see in popular news reports, China is now overtaken US, quote unquote, as the biggest polluter. Now that China does emit a lot of greenhouse gases, perhaps even more than the US today. But the idea is that if you look at cumulative emissions of greenhouse gases in say the last 50 or 60 years,